Hey, Bo here. I'm going to make a little birthday card today with a mountain scene on it, rather simple. I made one and I like it pretty well, so I'm going to go ahead and do it again for my friend who loves mountains. Now, I have little stamps, and this particular stamp is part of like another phrase, like wishing you a happy birthday. And I can get happy birthday out of it if I don't stamp the U-A. And I saw somebody do this online and I was so impressed with that. I'm going to do something, I'm going to do it a little backwards. I'm going to stamp first so that my mountain's not too high. Trees aren't going to get into it. I don't want to wind up with not enough room for that. So I'm kind of doing it backwards, stamping first, and then we're going to make some mountains and sun and some trees with our little wisp brush that is so handy for these little trees in the forest. And I think what I'm going to do is turn on a little music so that you can relax, just watch, and we'll make this card together, and I hope you enjoy it. So here we have it, a birthday card for my friend who loves the mountains in Colorado. Just a little bit of watercolor, water paper, and a stamp, and you've got a card made especially for a friend. So pop a comment below, check out our playlist, and give us a thumbs up. See you soon.